Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about Biscotti cookies.
Biscotti is an Italian cookie that's quick and easy to make. It pairs perfectly with a cup of coffee. What sets this cookie apart is that it is baked twice. Baking it 2 times makes this very crunchy and light. Start by beating together the butter and sugar using a whisk. As it's combined, add in the egg and whisk again. Add in the zest. Combine the sifted dry ingredients using a spatula. Fold in the pistachios. On a parchment-lined tray, place the dough in a rectangular tray with a height of not more than 1 inch. Bake in a preheated oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once cooled, use a bread knife and cut it into 4 mm thin slices. Place on a tray and bake again at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes till slightly brown and crisp. And your Biscotti Italian cookie is ready. Keep it in an airtight container to maintain freshness.